Hello, I'm Paul from Bezla. Limited and select service hotels have become extremely popular among hotel developers. 80% of the properties and 70% of the rooms that opened in 2015 did not offer a restaurant. Independent hotels are also lagging in development activity. In that same year, of the 775 new hotels that opened, only 79, that's 10.2%, were not affiliated with a brand. These trends are led by consumer preferences and the realities of financially feasible development. So today, I'm going to look at how full-service boutique hotels are delivering more growth than brands. What happens if you're a hotelier with a passion for food and beverage and independence? You open a boutique hotel with an emphasis on restaurant and lounge service. Back in the 1980s, boutique hotel development was exploding. These hotels offered unique guest experiences that embraced and promoted high-quality food and beverage outlets. The popularity of these hotels spawned boutique concepts affiliated with major international hotel brands. According to a recent survey, there were 371 independent boutique hotels in the United States that operate a restaurant for the period examined. To analyze today's trends, the performance of 41 independent full-service boutique hotels was examined. These 41 properties averaged 137 rooms in size, and for the 5 years up to the end of the survey period, achieved an average occupancy level of 75.1% and an ADR of $245.20. The performance of these independent boutique hotels was compared to the operating results of the full-service hotels for the same period. During the survey period, independent, full-service boutique hotels showed greater growth on both the bottom and top lines against the sample of all full-service properties. RevPAR for the boutique sample increased at a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of 10.3% during the period, compared to an increase of 7% for the all full-service sample. Boutique hotels achieved annual growth rate premiums in both occupancy and ADR. The independent boutique hotels also achieved greater growth in food and beverage revenue, which led to greater increases in total revenue. This superior revenue growth resulted in a more rapid pace of profit recovery. The NOI of the independent boutique hotels increased at a CAGR of 23.1% against a 12.6% growth rate for all full-service properties. Food and beverage service also assumes a greater role at independent boutique properties compared with their traditional full-service counterparts. F&B revenue at the boutique properties averaged 27.8% compared to 25.3% for the full-service sample. This ratio to total revenue has declined for both samples since 2010, which is consistent with overall lodging industry trends. This is indicative of the relatively strong growth in demand and pricing for hotel rooms compared to the lag in recovery seen for other guest expenditures. The difference in the makeup of F&B revenue between the two samples demonstrates the relative market positioning of independent boutique properties versus traditional full-service hotels. Restaurants and bar revenue represented 52.5% of total F&B revenue at boutique hotels compared to just 36.9% at full-service hotels. Independent boutique properties are able to show creativity by the emphasis placed on developing and marketing their restaurant and lounge concepts. Conversely, full-service properties earn a greater percentage of their F&B revenue from banquet business. This is due to the larger size of the full-service properties, averaging 248 rooms, versus the boutique hotels, averaging 137 rooms, and the consequent focus on group demand. At traditional full-service hotels, revenue from banqueting F&B, meeting room revenue, audiovisual and service charges equaled 58.8% of total departmental revenue, compared with 42.7% at the boutique hotels. With this higher percentage of banquet-related revenue, full-service properties can achieve greater efficiencies in the F&B department. The traditional full-service hotels showed an F&B profit margin of 24.7% versus 23.5% for the boutique properties. Numbers aside, the emergence of new lifestyle brands also shows the creativity that exists within the industry. But most of that creativity has been directed toward optimizing branded chains that offer limited F&B service. If you are a hotelier with an interest in food and beverage, a creative mindset, and you want to operate outside international chains, the opportunity to invest in an independent boutique hotel is certainly there. Just make sure you have a clear understanding of the financing, development, and operational challenges you'll face before entering this segment of the industry. If Bezla could help with your hotel marketing, visit our website at bezla.com or call us on 888 999 8086. Thank you for watching today.